my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold, and you are so very welcome to this beautiful winter glam lookbook. A lot of you said, Fumi, what do we wear in winter? We want to look casual. We want to look glamorous. We want to look fabulous. We want to have the whole package. And I said, why not? Are we living? Are we loving, my darlings? This is a beautiful, gorgeous lip. It's actually a mix. And my darling, this is by Solana Beauty. You go right ahead and you support a sister. And then I have like a deep chocolate underneath. And that is by JUVIAS Place. When I tell you it's fabulous. And this, my darlings, is by Fancy Ladies. Are we living? Are we loving with the reptile ambiance? I live and I absolutely love. Without a beat, let us start. So, the other day, or was it last week or the week before, I wore a fabulous suit. I actually wore the shirt first. Let me take it off so you guys can really enjoy this.
Some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I won't take it anymore. I'm fed with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry, I'm such a bad
So the other day when I was doing, I can't remember what the episode was, but I wore the shirt and you guys said, Fumi, you're giving me festive, you're giving me Christmas. I said, yes, I know. And the shirt, my darling, is by RAINE. It is a fabulous store here that I am living, I'm loving, and I'm buying a whole bunch of things from. Just look at the shirt. It's almost as if it's oozing fire from the shirt because the color is gorgeous. This, my darlings, is by RAINE. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ula actually bought this for me as a gift. He liked it so much. He said, for me, you know what, go right ahead. But the funny thing was, this was not what we saw first. What we saw first was the suit. Also by RAINE. Beautiful. When I tell you, it is one of my favorite looks ever. I love this suit. I think that it's just absolutely fabulous. You can wear this to a wedding. You can wear this to a dinner. You know, because winter fashion, you get all of those textures. You get velvet. You get leather. You get suede. You can wear those and beautiful knits. This, my darling, was gorgeous because it just really reminded me of Tom Ford. Tom Ford does these kind of colors. All of those rubies, emeralds, and sapphires. Those real fabulous suits. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Live for it. This, my darlings, if you want to go out for dinner, you want to switch it up. You don't have to wear that tight dress. You don't have to wear that mini dress. You don't have to wear that maxi dress. You switch it on them and you wear a velvet suit. Might I add, I took it to my tailor so that he could custom it for me so that it really just fit me like a dream. And when I tell you, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to wear it a couple of times. And you guys are going to be tired of me. I absolutely love it. Again, this is by RAINE and it is a 3-piece suit. Love it. And you can buy them all separately. Yeah? Okay. The next look, casual. You're going out to see friends. You're going for lunch. You want to be cute. You can absolutely wear this. And this is by H&M. And look, my darlings, I love the V in the back because that way it doesn't, you know, upset your hairstyle, your ponytail or whatever. And it is so, 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 so cute. Again, it's got that little gap on the side so you can show off your t-shirt, your underneath. It's a lovely knit. It comes right up to your neck. It's got that nice length, so I love this knit. And then I have jeans with the raw hem. Dark jeans will always work, absolutely. And as you guys know, and I will always showcase this because I'm just so happy this season I bought a coat with color, and when I tell you, it just wakes me up. It wakes me up and I look gorgeous. And there was a lady the other day, I went to, oh, what do they call it again? Ula, what's that your bakery that you like? Yes, I went to Gail's. There was a lady there who was also shopping. She said, I just love the way you look. I just love the way you look. I wore it. There you go. It wasn't this one. It wasn't this one. No. It was a pale blue dress. And I wore it with the pale blue coat with my little Prada kitten heels. I don't know where I was going. Where was I going? I can't remember. I think I dropped Adrian off. And so this, my darlings, with this look, it's so simple. As you very well know, pull your hair back and you are good to go. Give good face, you're good to go. This is one of my favorite casual pieces, and you will see me in this look a lot. This is fun. This was fun. I wore it here on this channel. It's a big, lovely, loungy sweater that I bought again at H&M. Fun. I paired it with beautiful neon pink gloves. Yes, I did. And I wore my Gucci fanny pack. Yep. I wore this gorgeous skirt that I think I got at Zara. See, boom, and they have all of this, you know, because it's winter now, so they have these thicker fabrics, which I just love. So I just paired it. I have my beanie hat, which I wore and also took off, and there you go, my darling. You're looking as bright and as fashionable as sunshine. You can pair it up with boots and you're looking kind of cute. You can go out like that, go out for drinks with your friends, and you're looking sharp. For winter, absolutely, you don't have to look slouchy, not at all, my darlings. And when I tell you, you can even put like a neon pink sweater underneath. You don't even have to wear a coat. If you're going from the taxi to the restaurant and back, hunty, give them a walk through, darling, and look fabulous. Yeah, why not? Last but not least, I love this, is another knit. It's so casual and it's so gorgeous, and the leg length is fabulous. When I tell you, I live for this. Absolutely beautiful. Wait for the punchline. What's the punchline, Fooms? Bada bing! It has got a top with a hoodie. So sometimes when I just don't feel like, you know, making my hair any kind of way, I just throw the hoodie on. I love beanies. I love hoodies. And this, my darling, it just works. It works. It's so casual, so nice, such fun. I go and pick up Adrian like this. Sometimes I'll go into town if I have to. I'll go and have a meeting, and I'm still looking fabulous and good. Yes, I am. And then what do? throw a scarf, and it's the same color. So when you're buying accessories, that's another thing. See whether you can buy a couple of stuff in the same family. I think Ula got me this way back when, and it just kind of worked out. It's really fun, it's really nice, and you can, you know, have it as a throw as well. You know, it's just a bright, I like color. My complexion absorbs color in a gorgeous, fabulous way. And then I have this gorgeous coat, have a couple of coats. You have to have a black coat. You just have to. You know, the makeup, And I love this one. And where is this one from? I don't remember. But it's a zip. That's what I like about it. And I thought, you know what, this was very, very different. This was Zara. So I'll just show you right now. And I leave it open a lot of the times. But that's it. Just a simple black coat, which I know a lot of you have. You just brighten that up with nice knit wear underneath, a hoodie. It works. Have your scarf, throw on some glasses, a little bit of lip gloss, you're good to go. You have these pieces, you are fine. You're absolutely fine. Your legs are warm. As you can see, your chest is covered and warm. You're not going to get cold or anything, and you're going to look fabulous. All right, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Super thanks. This way. Sportswear this way. And I will see you, my darlings, on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed it. You let me know what else you want to see. I'll see you soon, my darlings, because you can rotate all of this. All of my love. Mwah.